the world, and we live in a place where we can appreciate so many different types of foods and cuisine from different people. You know, spices, flavors, you name it, it's there in the Caribbean. And one of the other things that I love doing is highlighting dishes that we've grown up, you know, eating in different ways. You know, modern twist and take. So today we're doing a croquette, corned beef croquette. All right. So oil in the pan. Got some onion. I got some pepper, raisins. My corned beef, my bull beef out. So one of the things that you want to do when you're doing bull beef is to take it out, break it up or mash it in a bowl if you would. Just so it gets nice and soft. Or sometimes you just do it the old-fashioned way, you just put it in the pot and just mash it with a fork. Or a big fork. Yes. Alright. Cilantro, thyme. Alright, so I got some thyme leaves. More pepper, why not? I got some green onions. We got some cilantro, we got some jerk, we got some Worcestershire.
That Grace Jerk.
Yes, so we got Grace Jerk.
Woo!
The hotness. Woo! The spiciness. And we have new labels. Yes. Did you notice? We have new labels. Yes. I love the packaging, darling. Yes. Look at it. Awesome. 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 So you can always get it nice and hot like this, and you can get it nice and moiled. We don't like moiled. We like hot. Alright? So our raisin, we gotta have some garlic around here somewhere. I'm going to leave off.
There you go, chef.
Where? Thank you, sir. A little garlic, chopped garlic. Now when you're doing sauteing with chopped garlic, you know, I see a lot of people put in the garlic first and then they put in the onion or whatever it is. But by the time you get to, you know, the onion, you know, the garlic kind of turn brown and, you know, it's bitter. No, you don't want to do that. Unless, of course, you know, your heat is nice and moderate, yes. So when you put the garlic in, if you put it in first, stir it, then you add the onion. But you want to add the onion first, then the garlic, then the pepper. Alright? Alright, so corned beef, we're going to add that in. It is straight from the can. So this is, oh, hold on, wrong people that. I just saw a can and I just pick it up. Oops! I didn't do it again. But it is in a can. Yes. Same size. It looks just like that. Alright? And it's called Grace. Corned beef. Yes. Yeah, the thing nice, you see? Yo.
There it is.
What? See that?
We didn't use the right one.
We didn't use the right one. Yes, I made sure he used the right one earlier. Alright. So we just want to make sure the corned beef, because it's already cooked. So basically what we're doing is sort of heating it through, adding some spices, adding some more flavor to it. So one of the flavor that we're adding now is some jerk. We're going to add some jerk seasoning to this. Alright. And we're going to add, yeah, that's good, some Worcestershire. Just a little bit. Alright. And then we're going to add some cilantro. Good deal. Alright, so you notice I have 3 bowls up here. We're finished with that, finish with that. So when you're doing croquettes, you're going to have to bread them and fry them. So you want to have a little breading station. You got your flour, you got your egg wash with eggs and milk, whisk around, and you got your breadcrumbs. Well, I'm using Japanese breadcrumbs, panko. Which I had, yeah, we're going to turn this on. Good. All right, so we got flour, and we're going to season that up with a little ground oregano. We got a little cumin. Garlic powder. Pepper. And we're going to add a little salt. If you notice, I did not put any salt in the corned beef. It doesn't need any. Okay? It has its own sodium and all that good stuff. Let's mix that up. Woo! Now, for the croquettes, when this is cooked, you want to just cool it down. Put it in the fridge, freezer, whatever. It will take probably a 5 minutes, nice and cool, because we're going to have to form them in croquettes. You don't want to do it when it's hot, it won't work. So I have some earlier, flour, egg wash. Now you got 2 hands, you know, when you're doing the breaded station, you have to use both hands. So 1 hand, dry, in here.
Wet, 1 hand dry.
Wet, yes. And this is my dry, and this is your breadcrumbs for the croquetas. All right? So that's what we did. Now if my oil is hot enough, I want to fry them. How are we doing?
Fry it, like deep
Yes.
fry it.
So these, when you're done, you want to chill them off. There's 2 steps that when this is cooked, cooler, take them out, you form them. You may want to put them back in the cooler just for a little bit to firm up. Then you bread them. They're firm back, put them back in the cooler for about 10 minutes, and then you deep fry them. 350, just until they're golden brown. Take them out, and you're good to go. So this croquettes is served with a mango mustard sauce, and it's real easy. Mango, mustard, little cumin, little salt and pepper. What else is in that recipe? I don't remember. I'll let that tell. That's it. And basically, you just put it in the blender, buzz it, nice and smooth. You can put it in a small bowl, serve it with a spoon, or as we've done here, put it in a squeeze bottle and just drizzle it right over.